Welcome to Shantalakshmi IAS. In this video, we will be discussing the daily MCQs of that date's current affairs. This will help you to boost your prelim score. First question: the Semeru volcano is located in which of the following country? Okay, as we earlier discussed that if any significant volcanic eruptions or any earthquakes or any cyclones, if that happens, then we should make a note of that, because these kind of questions are asked by the UPSC. Okay, and this Semeru volcanic mountain is located in the Indonesia. Okay, in the Java island of Indonesia, and this is the active volcano of Indonesia. It is one of the active volcano of Indonesia, because as Indonesia is located on the Pacific Ring of Fire, there will be many active volcanoes in this country. Okay, and here the answer is D. This is just a factual question, and you can answer this question if you follow the current affairs. Okay, next question: consider the following statements regarding the Mithi River. Mithi River, this is taken from the today's newspaper. Actually, Mithi is a river in the Maharashtra, and it is located in the Mumbai. Okay, it directly flows into the Arabian Sea. Its source is Powai Lake. Okay, actually Mithi is the river that is the most polluted river in the Maharashtra state. It is 100% polluted. Okay, and if you come to the question, it flows into the Arabian Sea. This statement is true, as we seen that it directly flows into the Arabian Sea. Dahisar is one of its tributaries. Actually, Dahisar is another river, and it is not a tributary of Mithi River. Okay, it also directly flows into the Arabian Sea. So this statement is false. Powai Lake is its source. As we seen that Powai Lake is its source, so this statement is true. And the correct statements are asked. Only 1 and 3 are correct. So here the answer is B. Okay. Next question. Exercise equivalent is a joint military exercise between. As we earlier discussed that if any exercise happen between any countries, I mean between India and any other country, then we should make a note of that. Okay. And this is taken from the PIB. This is a joint military exercise between the Indian Army and the Maldives National Defense Force. Okay, this is started in the year 2009, and the equivalent, it means friends in the Maldivian language. Okay, and this is a 14 days exercise, and it is held alternatively in India and in Maldives. Okay, and through this exercise, both countries are going to enhance the synergy and interoperability between the armed forces of both the nations. Okay, it will also help to better understand the transnational terrorism both on land and sea. Okay, we come to the question: exercise equivalent is a joint military exercise between India and Maldives. Answer is D. Okay, you can answer this kind of questions if you follow the current affairs, or if you just note all the military exercises between India and any other country. Okay, fourth question. Consider the following statements regarding the Ujjwala scheme. Okay, the Ujjwala scheme. This is taken from the today's PIB. Ujjwala Yojana. Okay, the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. This scheme is launched in the year 2016. Okay, through this scheme, the government is aimed to distribute 50 million LPG gas connections to women below the poverty line. Okay, those women who are below the poverty line and who crossed the age of 18, then they will be provided with a gas connection. And further, the aim was increased to provide LPG gas connections to 8 crore women by the year 2020 March. Okay, but this is already achieved in the year 2019. Okay, and this is implemented by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. For the first time in the history, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas is implementing a welfare scheme. Okay, and the objectives of this scheme are to empower women and protect their health. Okay, to minimize their health issues. For example, most of the women in the rural areas use the wood as the fossil fuel. Okay, to cook, they use the wood or any other unclean fossil fuel, and they will continuously blow air to rise the fire in order to heat up the Okay, and in that process they are inhaling the dangerous smoke which include carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, etc. So to control that indoor pollution, to minimize that health issues, the government is implementing this Ujjwala Yojana. Okay, and in order to prevent the degradation of the purity of the environment, this scheme will help. Okay, if you come to the question, the Ujjwala scheme provided access to cooking gas cylinders without consumers having to pay a deposit to fuel retailers. Yes, the government has said that the consumers should not need to pay a deposit to the fuel retailers before getting the gas connection. Okay, so this statement is true. All the women will be eligible for this scheme who crossed the 18 years. Actually, not all the women, those women who comes under the below poverty line and those who crossed the 18 years of age are eligible. Okay, so this statement is false. It is implemented by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. This statement is true. Okay, and only 1 and 3 are correct. So the answer is A, only 1 and 3. Fifth question, consider the following statements regarding the Make in India program. Okay, this is taken from the PIB, Make in India. This program is launched in the year 2014. Okay, actually the intention behind this program is to revive the manufacturing sector of India in order to enhance the growth of the economy. Okay, and also to encourage the foreign business to invest in India, and to improve the India's rank in ease of doing business index, and also it is intended to develop India into a global manufacturing hub. Okay, so in this way, this will boost the employment opportunities in India, as the industrial sector is the sector which can absorb many unemployed. So if we develop this manufacturing sector, then it will be a solution for many problems in India. So that's why this Make in India will lay steps in that way. Okay, and in a single statement, the government initiative of Make in India is intended to boost the domestic manufacturing sector and augment foreign investment in the country. Okay, to come to the question, it is intended to revive the hitherto lagging manufacturing sector of India to enhance the growth of the economy. This statement is true because it is the intention of the government to enhance the growth of the economy by reviving the hitherto lagging manufacturing sector. Second, its aim is to improve India's rank in the ease of doing business index. Okay, this statement is also true. And the correct statements are asked, and both 1 and 2 are correct, so the answer is B. Okay, the new batch in Shantalakshmi IAS Academy is going to start from the 9th of this December. Okay, if you are interested, please call this number. And that's it today. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.